Today's word is essence. There are two syllables, and the first syllable S is stressed as essence. It means the basic or core nature of a thing, animal or person. It's also the importance of something. Its primary use is general, so it can be used in several areas. In botany, it means the substance from a plant containing the same characteristic property in a concentrated form. Let's look at a few sentences to know its practical use. In a sense, all viruses are the same. This is what a virologist would say. In a sense means basically. Reports suggest that Newton essentially plagiarized the theories of gravity and other related areas from Indian schools. I got this from the University of Manchester website. So essentially plagiarize means the broad idea is, the core idea is plagiarism. It wasn't Newton's own original idea. Essentially, what you're saying is we abandoned the project. Is that it? It means you said a lot of things, but the basic, the summum bonum, the main essential part is that we abandoned the project. That, in essence, is a summary of the Marxian theory. So somebody said something previously, and now he's concluding it by saying that, in a sense, that means the important part of it is the summary of the Marxian theory. That's the summum bonum. Christianity and Islam are similar in essence, although they differ widely in externals. Essentially, they are same. There could be differences in the externals, the way people do several things, but essentially, basically, they are the same. The crux is the same. Let's look at one relevant question here. How do I find my essence? For that, you need to stop your mental chatter. And to stop your mental chatter, you need to practice meditation. Mental chatter is the kind of chatter that goes on in your mind. You keep thinking about things that you don't even know that you are thinking, or you don't even want to think. Mental chatter. Finally, some synonyms. Bottom line, be all and end all, sum in substance, the name of the game, crux, core. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary.